Passive income. Passive income is the little money which you make beside uh, your common job. So you might have a job where you go every day in the morning and you finish that shift 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 2 p.m. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice. I like to talk about the money, and making extra money to your account is a very big happiness which brings joy. And also to remember to click the like button and also to subscribe. So in America, we have to make a passive income, or you have to work 3 to 4 jobs. A passive income is a job which you do apart from your main job. For example, if I am a Uber driver, I drive Uber from morning to 6, or I drive from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. But I don't do that. So I do a healthcare job. So I have a shift which is my main shift. I go from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. And after that, I usually go and pick an extra hour so I can accumulate my paycheck to have more money or to add money in my paycheck. So what are those passive incomes? Where can you find them? You can Google them, your friend can introduce them to you, or you can go through agency. Like you can do a private caregiver. People doesn't know about what is a private caregiver. A private caregiver is somebody who goes to people's home, like a home, personal home, and then you have to do some work. You can clean, you can go to the grocery, you can take them to the doctor appointment, you can cook, you can do a lot, play password, and some they need just a companion. So that's a side hustle which will help you to make money and add your account to become a fat with a lot of money. So for me, I usually even also babysit children for me to have an extra money. I usually babysit children on my weekend or after work from 2 to 4 p.m. If you have a children at school and you don't have time to go and pick up your kids from school, I will go and pick up your kid and bring your kids to my home. When you done with your shift, you pass by to my home and you pick up your kids. So I make a couple of dollars in that way. So the third thing you can do also is to drive Uber or DoorDash. A DoorDash is whereby you go pick up food to a restaurant and drive and take it to someone's house. It depends how far is the house or how short is the distance. That's an extra income, so you're not counting like you doing this, that's your main job. And doing this will help you to save the money which you make from your main job, because without doing this, you're gonna end up using all your main income and you cannot have a saving. Remember, in America, you have to pay taxes. The taxes are deducted before you get your salary. So if you make more money, the higher taxes you're gonna be deducted from your paycheck. That's why you need to do a side hustle to help you maintain or make you to have more money to pay your bills. The fourth thing you can do is to go and rent a room and then you share with somebody. If you like to share, you can rent a room and then you share with somebody. Instead of paying a rent of $800 to $1,200 a month, you share a room with somebody and you can split the money. You can pay $600 and the other persons pay $600. That sounds awful, but I tell you, in America, you have to do what you got to do because you gotta pay your bills. The fifth thing, you can rent your driveway. This thing I have taught them many times. We always find a place to park our vehicle. Like for example, if I drive a vehicle, I sleep in my car. Not now, I slept in my vehicle. I need to park my vehicle in a safe place. If you rent me your driveway to pull my vehicle there and sleep overnight, I feel safe rather to go to K-Sako or to a gas station or to Fry's or to Walmart and pull my vehicle there and take a nap. So if you rent me your driveway, I know every day I have a place to go and pull my vehicle and take a nap. A nap is very important because if you don't take a nap, you will be not able to do your shift, or you will not able even to wake up and walk. So if you do these things, that will help you to save your money, and you can save for a year, and you became a millionaire. The sixth thing I will tell you is to do a haircut. You do not need a degree to do a haircut. You can just go to Walmart, Fry's, wherever you wanna go, and buy the machine to do the hair, and you can go to people's house, especially the elderly people, cut their hair, cut their beards. That's a very important. And the seventh thing you need to learn is to do hair like this, to braid the hair. If you know how to braid the hair, that you're gonna make a lot of money, because this hair cost me $500 or $300 to do this. If you know how to crochet or to braid, or you have machine to do it, you will be able to save a lot of money. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also to subscribe to educate you about how to make an extra money. Also, if you drive and your friends don't drive, you can offer them a ride. Instead of you driving your vehicle alone, your vehicle needs a gas, your vehicle needs to have a oil change, your vehicle needs a maintenance, you need to change your wheels. So if you take your friends who does not have a vehicle, or you offer them to pick them and take them wherever they are, you can make that money and able to keep that money to maintain your vehicle, because without you maintaining your vehicle will fail for emission. You don't want to do that, because your vehicle needs to take you from A to B in order for you to get some income. Don't forget to hit the like button. And also number 8, if you learn how to do the, let's say for example, if I live here and you live 5 miles away from me, if you decide that instead of you driving your own vehicle to work, we will be driving one vehicle going to work if we go in same direction. For example, if I go to Phoenix and you go to Phoenix to work, we can do a share ride. I will come and pick you this week with my vehicle, and the next week we will drive your vehicle. In that way, we are having a passive income. A passive income make you to have an extra money in case of emergency, in case of you run out of your saving, or in case of you using your saving, you have an extra money to use, because if you finish all your saving, you will end up accumulating a debt. Especially if you have a credit card debt, you have a vehicle debt, you have other debts which you need to pay, and you have only one income, that will never take you nowhere. And I'm telling you through my experience, when I did not have kids, I used to work 3 to 5 jobs. In those jobs, I have to pick 2 hours and 1 8 hours, and also in between, I have to drive kids from different people, different families who are not able to finish their schedule on time and go pick up their kids from school, and they do not pay to have to pay after school program. Remember, here even your kids stay over the school, you need to pay the money for that out.